Hey everybody, just a really quick video. There is some people that are concerned about, with the KAON storage shelf, things falling through. Personally, I generally have bigger things like the dunny rolls and the pegs and that in containers, and they won't fall through. But if you've got smaller items, what we did in one of our other Prados, I don't know, about 4 or 5 years ago, when we put this cargo shelf in, same sort of thing, dunny rolls, tissues, stubby holders, toiletry bag, more stubby holders. Anyone would think we're drinking too much, but see that soft rubber mat underneath? It's very lightweight, so it doesn't add any extra weight, and it just stops things actually falling through, tidies things up a little. So next time you're down at Bunnings, you grab yourself one of these. They've got them in stock at the moment at our local Bunnings. I've seen them for a while. You can get white or black. I thought black blends in best. Size is 1500 by 500. Which is more than enough. You could probably have some left over in the, drawer liners usually, stop things banging around and that sort of thing. I'm gonna measure it up, cut it to size, let you know what the size is and get it in there. And I guess I probably did the same thing 4 or 5 years ago, but I don't remember if I had an off cutter, if I purchased one like this, and I've probably got the other half of it somewhere in one of these workshops, but I don't know where it is. $4.50 at Bunnings anyway. Happy days, right? 1100 by 430 I'm gonna cut mine. So what did I say, 1100 long, and I'll cut between the lines. Actually a perfect offcut. That one will probably go in a drawer somewhere, and then you just got this slim strip off the other end, bugger all, and there we have a perfect size. It'll flatten out a little bit over time. Let's get it in there, see what it looks like. And there it is, job done, right? I reckon it's better because it stops. You've got a softer, when you put things down, it's a bit softer. So it's not bang bang against metal over bumps. It's not going to be bang bang against metal, not that it really is, just saying it won't be. And you've got a mat that's more grippy, so less chance things are going to slide. It's going to be harder to get them to slide. Like obviously see this, I'm sort of push it, it'll slide, but without that rubber there, it would have slid easier, same as this. See that plastic's gripping on that rubber mat. So really good option. There's your little kaon.com.au upgrade rubber mat for that storage shelf. Hope you liked it. Bada bing, bada boom. Catch you on the next video. Anyway, there's our first 2 things ready for the next trip. The box of tissues and the pegs. KAON, Australian made and owned quality products. Do it once, do it right. Bada bing, bada boom. Subscribe, turn the bell on, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.